Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make spirulina tablets. We will cover the entire process, from preparing your spirulina powder to the final compression and drying. You'll learn about the specific ingredients that act as binders and lubricants, crucial for forming stable tablets. We'll also discuss the necessary equipment, including a tablet press, to ensure your tablets are consistent in size and hardness. By following these steps, you can produce high-quality spirulina tablets effectively. The first crucial step is preparing your spirulina mixture. You'll need high-quality spirulina powder, making up about 75 to 88% of your tablet's weight. To this, incorporate binders and excipients like xylooligosaccharide, isomaltulose, and hydroxypropyl methylcellulose. These ingredients are vital for giving the tablet its structure and ensuring it holds together. Blend all components meticulously to achieve a homogeneous mixture, which is key for consistent tablet quality. Once your mixture is ready, the next step is granulation, which improves flowability and compressibility. Add a wetting agent such as an ethanol solution to create a soft material. Then, pass this material through a 30-mesh sieve to form uniform granules. These granules are then dried, typically at 65 degrees Celsius for about 50 minutes, until their moisture content is between 2 and 4%. Finally, incorporate a lubricant like magnesium stearate and use a tablet press to compress the granules into solid tablets. After compression, proper drying and quality control are essential. Although the granules were dried, ensuring the final tablets are completely dry prevents moisture-related issues. Perform quality checks on a sample of tablets, verifying their weight, hardness, and dimensions to meet your desired specifications. Once approved, store your spirulina tablets in airtight containers in a cool, dry, and dark place. This helps maintain their potency and extends their shelf life for optimal consumption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.